Investing is something that requires information in order for us to make decisions. So if you're watching this video, you probably are investing in cryptocurrency or you're interested in learning more about how to make money with crypto. So today I'm going to go over a few tools that can help you make better decisions when it comes to investing into crypto. And the first one is the good old CoinGecko. So CoinGecko is a place where you can find all the basic information about the cryptocurrency that you are looking for. For example, let's look at NEAR. This is the typical CoinGecko dashboard. You can see the price charts over here. This is the time frame of the chart itself. So this is a whole month. This is 24 hours you're looking at. I noticed that a lot of beginners only care about the price itself, but what they should be worrying about is the market cap and the fully diluted value. So the fully diluted valuation is pretty much the price of the token times the total supply. And the market cap is the price of the token times the amount of the circulating supply. So circulating is the ones that are liquid. People can actually use them right away. People can trade, send them to their friends. So you might ask, what about the not circulating supply? So if you toggle this, you can see the market cap over the FDV ratio. That just shows you how much of the token supply has been unlocked. And as you can see here, 91% of this token supply has been unlocked. And the other 9 are probably being vested. Vesting is just to pretty much prevent the early investors to just dump all the tokens and make the price tank. And one more thing. Let's say you're interested in, I don't know, Pepe, and you don't know where to buy this Pepe coin. One thing you can do is click on the token and see this market tabs over here. So on top, click on the market tabs. It'll show you all the exchanges that you can buy Pepe coins from. And that's usually how I use CoinGecko. Next tool we have TradingView. What's going on, guys? My name is Nugget and I've been in crypto since 2020. I made a lot of money and also lost a bunch of money. So that's why I decided to create these videos to help you from getting wrecked yourself. So stick around if you want to make money with crypto and airdrops. So TradingView is more of a in-depth information when it comes to price action and how the token is performed on the market. And right now is an example of with USDT pair being traded on Binance. If you're new to crypto, then this looks very intimidating. It's like looking at maths problems or something. I highly suggest you just learn some basic technical analysis like support, resistance, or market trends. But yeah, I won't go into detail about trading views, but you definitely should learn how to read candlestick charts and just some basic technical analysis. Next one, we have DeFi Llama. Okay, here's DeFi Llama. So this is where you can find all the in-depth information and data about all the chains out there. For example, if you go to Chains tab over here, here are all the chains that DeFi Llamas are tracking information. And right now, I think they're being ranked by TVL. Yep. So TVL is total value locked. That just pretty much means how much money is sitting on the chain right now. And of course, Ethereum has the highest total value locked. Let's say you're doing research about Base. You can click on Base and you can see that the TVL is $1.7 billion. Here are all the information. The fees that Base has earned through gas within the past 24 hours is almost 260K. Here's the volume. And what I like about DeFi Llama is that, let's say I'm new to Base and I don't know anything about Base ecosystem. I usually get on DeFi Llama and I check out their TVL. Okay, high TVL, that means people trust it. So the more TVL a chain has, that means more people trust it and they put their money on there. Since I'm new to this ecosystem, I want to browse their apps, like what protocols, what projects are being built on here. This is all the list that they have. Let's say you want to swap some stuff on Base and you don't know any dexes, then this is a perfect place to look for. Like as you can see, one of their popular dexes is Aerodrome and Uniswap. And if you're into lending or other type of DeFi stuff, they all have it on here. Here's another cool feature from DeFi Llama is this section over here is races. That just pretty much means you can figure out how much a project raised. So let's say I'm interested in Init Capital. let's say you found a project that are doing airdrops and you're trying to figure out if it's worth your time farming the airdrop. Usually, what I do is I go here, search the name of that project, see how much money they raised, and then I'll decide. If they don't raise that much money, then it's probably not worth it trying to farm airdrops from them. And I don't know if DeFi Llama has all the funding round that this project has raised. So you might have to double check with other website just to make sure. And there's one website that you can do that in a little bit when we go over that. Cool. So next one we have, all right, if you're a degen, then you probably know this one. It's Dex Screener. This place is perfect for your daily shitcoins research. Back in December, every day I wake up, I'll just go to Dex Screener, see what shitcoin is new. If the shitcoin was minted in less than an hour before, then I'll bought a little bit. Then I waited a couple hours to see if the price take off or did they rug, and made some good money from that. But the downside is that you end up staring at your screen for 12 hours a day. Dex Screener is similar to TradingView, is that you can see the price action and the candlestick charts. But what's special about Dex Screener is that it has all the information about all the on-chain information of the coins on all of these chains over here. And you can see the market cap and the FDV, similar to CoinGecko. So right now, red market cap is 500 mil, right? But if we go over to Wolf, then the market cap is really low. It's like 3 mil. So the lower the market cap, the riskier the token is. And sometimes if you buy into a token that just launched within a few hours, you're running into the risk of the developer of that token can just rug you. They'll just sell everything they have. Since they made that token, they own a large supply of that token and they can just sell it. Once it reaches a price that they feel like, oh, this is enough money for me, then they'll just take it out and rug you. So just be careful with that. Okay, next one we have Drops Tap. The dashboard is very similar to CoinGecko. You can see the price, you can see the market cap, the FDV, the 24 hours volume. But my special tab is this accumulation tab right here. It'll tell you how long and when that this coin has been accumulating. How long have people been buying and just stacking this coins. So like Filecoin been accumulating since March 4th. So this shows you that these assets are currently in the accumulation zone, which signal the individual assets' performance and key metrics. So during the accumulation phase, trading volumes are significantly higher than usual. The price fluctuates within a range for extended periods, delivering failed breaks in both directions, which makes it harder to analyze future price moves. But this may also caused by activity of trading bots or represent the appearance of a bigger player building up their positions. So if big players building up their position, that means they're having conviction and they are speculating on the fact that token will pump within the near future. Oh, this tab is new. It's just pretty much all the data about the popular VC and the angel investors, what they're investing in, what coins are on their portfolio. So let's check out Delphi. It shows you all the percentage of what narratives that they're allocating their fund into. So gaming, 24%. Like I said earlier, you can use Drops tab to do research on a particular project to see how many fundraising rounds they've done. So this is Nyan. It's a crypto game, Nyan Heroes. And it looks like they've done multiple rounds. Angel round, they raised 500K. They did a seed round, raised 2 mil. 2 private rounds that raised 9 mil. Oh, they raised a lot of money, huh? So in total, they raised $13.5 million. And their airdrop was kind of dog shit. Yeah. Here's an important one. I have partnered with Bitnix to give you pretty much free money so you can play around and test their platform, see if you like it or not. By using Bitnix, you can access to way more coin than what's available on a typical crypto exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. To make sure you don't miss out on the potential profit, just simply buy being early. Don't wait and click the link down in the description below. Make sure to join using my code 0xnugget to receive this bonus. So this is token unlocked. So remember when I say earlier that there are circulating supplies and the non-circulatings are the locked one because they're being vested, so the VCs and the angel investors don't dump the token and tank the price? Well, this token unlocks dashboard will show you when the next unlock of whatever token is going to happen. And usually when the token gets unlocked, that means the supply increases. If the supply increases and the demand stays the same, that means the price can possibly go down. So it's just pretty much mean if it gets unlocked, then your price probably tank a little bit of whatever token you're holding. So like this one, Ajax getting unlocked May 28th, so 5 days from now. And it'll increase the total supply by 0.7%. So that's like a tiny unlock. Avo's token unlocked happened a week or two ago, and their token supply increased like 7 times. And of course, the price tanked by a lot. All right, last but not least, we have Crypto Rank. You can find the same information about fundraising and funding rounds of whatever projects on here. But what I like about this website is this IDO and ICO tabs. It'll tell you that what new and upcoming projects are going to do a initial coin offering or initial DEX offering. That just pretty much mean you can get in early, you invest early, you pay the token price as cheap as possible. And then when they launch, then you get that token and then you sell it for higher. It's the easiest play to get in early on the IDO and ICOs. But also keep in mind that there are risks involved when you invest early in projects that are not established. If the projects couldn't build up the hype and couldn't sell to the public that, hey, they're upcoming promising projects, then when they launch, the token just gonna go. One way to prevent that is just do your research before you invest in any of these new projects. Oh, and it also tells you what project it is, how much they're raising, how much money they're asking, and the launch pad. So the launch pad is where you're gonna want to look into in order to participate in these ICOs, and then the start date. All right, and that's it for this video. If you haven't heard about Donald Trump accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for his presidential campaign, check out this video. I also talk about a potential meme coin on Base that's, I believe, gonna explode. So check it out.